Hello, hello, boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Friday, December the 31st, 2021, the last day of the year. No, it's the additional of Tuesday, December the 28th, 2021. I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with a 1 star and 2 stars. There are two puzzles left, the tectonic and the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle. Number 3912. 3912. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 rows and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. 3, yes. Here also 3. 3, okay. Let me see the rows. O10. Do we have O10 here? No, it's not the same. O101 here. No, not the same. So we need to compare the columns. This one, I think. No, this is not the same. Yeah, but the first and the last column are almost identical. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great. A binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. Yes, well, it's actually in the additional of the Tuesday edition of December the 28th. Anyway, see you later. Bye bye for now.